Thanks for joining us again in this video series. Don't Talk to Strangers, or DTTS, as we affectionately call it, is a novel approach to strict DNS filtering by including on-premise IP enforcement. It is an effective way to dramatically enhance security with lightweight hardware and software and without detouring traffic to a cloud provider for security inspection. The essential premise is summarized as follows in a Venn diagram where these three elements overlap. Number one, whitelisting methodology, or blacklisting with machine-learned threat intelligence. Number two, DNS-based filtering, which resolves domains in a deterministic fashion. Number three, on-premise egress control, which includes hijacking of all other DNS server usage attempts. The DTTS process essentially disallows DNS-less traffic, but it allows established traffic and related traffic to persist. With this feature enabled, you can probably guess that it stops 100% of P2P traffic. It stops the consumer version of Skype, FaceTime, any and all outbound VPN attempts, and any and all applications that use a mechanism other than DNS to determine TCP and UDP destinations. But to allow such blocked applications and services to operate anyway, there is a provision of enablers. Enablers allow you to tell the DTTS engine to whitelist destination IP and port ranges that will not be resolved by DNS. Check the documentation for more specific examples. But in the case of something like Skype as a special application, specific steps are outlined in your documentation as it should be enabled by an IP reservation, next, port forwarding rule that uses the Skype app's static source port, and finally, an enabler that references the same port usage. And as a last resort, DTTS can also be bypassed on a rule set by rule set basis. For further troubleshooting and logging information, look for allow, block, drop, and pass keywords in your log files to observe the real-time firewall rule changes that occur. The default maximum log file size is only 8 megabytes, so you don't need to worry about any runaway disk usage. That's Don't Talk to Strangers for you. We hope you enjoy its additional security features. Thanks for tuning into this video. Please check out the other resources in this series as well.